Heather here, and if you guys are new to my feed, new to what our True Beauty movement is all about, make sure you guys are following me. My name is Heather. I'm the founder and editor-in-chief of True Beauty Movement. That's TRU without the E, Beauty Movement. And over here at True Beauty Movement, our mission is to redefine beauty and empower women in and out. So I am a certified yoga instructor. I am a professional makeup artist. I'm also a wellness coach. I also have my degree in journalism and marketing, where I was a magazine writer for years. I want this to be kind of a crash course on vision boards. We can jump into more depth in future videos. So if you look closely here at mine, I drive a silver Audi, I actually drive a silver Audi Q5 now. I up-leveled, but I used to drive a TT, and this Audi is on my vision board, right? It's been on there for years and years. My husband, I put this on my vision board right here before I met my husband, and what it symbolizes. It doesn't have to look just like him, it's what it symbolizes for me. Before we had my daughter, Melissa, this little girl right here, that picture of that little girl on the beach, notice she's on the beach. I put that on my vision board, you guys, when I lived in Utah amongst the snow. And it says below that, where the little girl's playing on the beach, I put nature's perfect playground for the chosen few. We have our future house that's on the beach, this like modern white house. So I have so many examples, so many examples. Even right here, you know, founder and true beauty advocate, editor-in-chief. This is before I started my company. Okay, do you see the logo and all that?
Okay, so here are my very simple tips for creating your very first vision board. I think the biggest mistake that people, really make is they overthink it and they keep putting it off and putting it off, thinking it's like this long, intense process. And it's really supposed to be fun and creative and really allowing you to recenter and truly dream big again, like you did when you were a little kid. So first step, you can't really see very much of it because of my vision board, but buy a cork board. So you can buy like a normal, just kind of traditional cork board. I got this one at Target years ago, hence how I've manifested all these things in my life. I've had this for years. So hey, again, get one with a frame if you can. Amazon's great, Target, Walmart, you name it. And then of course you want to start to have the fun where you're really, having cutouts of things that you want to manifest in your life, your dream. Go to the store. I know they're not like out there as much these days, but try to get a bunch of magazines, or again, you could even just Google images off, Google, and then print them, color print them. But let's see, let's just say you're like, hey, I want to look like this girl. So then you can, of course, cut this out with your really chic, awesome scissors. And your cute, awesome, amazing, glamorous tape. Then cut that out. I would honestly cut around her body and then just stick her on the vision board. Other than that, you just want to make sure that you are then, of course, doing your manifesting meditation practice. But I would say the easiest thing is just have it somewhere where you are going to see it every day, right when you wake up and when you go to sleep. Make sure that you are really thinking more than skin deep here. You're thinking physical. Yes, we want the home. Yes, we want the man or the significant other, right? Yes, we want the dream car. But I also want to make social change, right? So my spiritual side, my spiritual path. That's really what the True Beauty Movement is all about, redefining beauty. So make it happen, dream big, let nothing hold you back. I will definitely be going to more depth on how to do, manifestation meditations. I really am a master at it. Like I said, I've manifested many, many, many things into my life, big and small, very easily. So to me, my coaching courses will really guide you in that area. And also I will have future, videos and articles and things to walk you through. You might have seen some past tips that I've had, and let's manifest our best lives.
All right, guys, that's it. I hope this really inspires you, this crash course on how to create a vision board. I'll give you more depth down the line. And until next time, be balanced, be true, and be proud to be you. See you later, guys.